Hello everyone. In this session, we have a presentation by Miss Simmi Khurana on the topic mind mapping.
Good evening, everyone, my dear friends. Till now, from last 4 5 days, we have learned so many tools by which we can just teach our students. But all of you know that in class we have different categories of students. Some of them they are above average. Some of the students they are just average students are there, and some we have below average. So we are using different strategies to teach all those students. We are trying our best to improve their aptitude. So here I'm going to discuss one of the tool, that is mind map tool, which we are going to use especially for all those students who don't like the subject, all those who have a problem in learning the formulas or memorize them. They don't want to just go through the numbers, different type of numbers. They don't know how to learn the formulas. So for them this tool is very effective. So we are going to learn about this tool, that is my mind map. It's a learning tool. My mind map, but before that I want to tell you what is mind map. It is one of the teaching strategy which helps the teacher to teach course material more effectively, and it also helps the students to learn systematically, and they learn in organized manner. In math, students have to memorize identities, formulae, types of numbers, theorems, and so on. And this technique is going to make all these things easier. What is mind map and when is it useful? It is a graphical way to represent ideas and concepts. Through visualization, it is more easier to understand. It is a visual thinking tool that helps structuring information, helping to better analyze, comprehend, synthesize, recall, and generate new ideas. It is an activity also, we can say, that is both analytical and artistic, which engages your brain. Now, in this case, we are going to integrate, all of you know, in the CBSC, there is art integration with the different subjects. So we can relate it with art integration also in a much, much richer way, helping in all its cognitive functions. And best of all, it is fun to just draw the mind map for different types of topics. So the tool which I'm going to use here, that is a software, we can install it from in our mobile also or on your Windows also. It's a My Mind tool. It's easy mind mapping. My Mind is a powerful mind mapping tool which is designed to create and share ideas and activities such as project planning, brainstorming ideas, thought structuring, summarizing ideas, discussions, poster presentation, project demonstration, and many other creative application we can use just through this mind map. Now, what are the features of this tool? First of all, I'm going to tell you the features of this mind map tool. It's user friendly, it's intuitive, it's easy to use, simple and flexible. It's very easy to use. I'm going to tell you how we'll use it step by step. Export to many formats images, many types of images you can export in this mind map also. Then no ads, advertisement, no sign up is required. It is completely free. But for the premium, you have to purchase it. But in the pre-run also, we have all the features. Multi-level, logical, hierarchical framework, many layout schemes. For other subjects also, we can use this. Lines and curves, shapes, different types of shapes are there. Rectangle, square, oval, circle, heptagon, octagon, different types of shapes are given in the tool. Online backup storage and restore. Copy, paste, duplicate, here detach, reattach notes and drop. We can undo, redo, collapse, expand, zoom, scroll. We can crop them, rotate them, or drag them also. Many features are there in this. Now, to use this, first of all, first step here, we are going to just, in the web browser, you'll search this, My Mind Map. And in the Windows, you can just download this and directly you can click on this and start with your mind map. And the next one is from phone also you can download it. It's in the Play Store. From there also you can download this app, My Mind Crypto Bees. It's from the Crypto Bees company. Then this is how it look like when you install this in your mobile or in your desktop. Now I have installed this My Mind Map. Now I can see that how I'm going to use this. It has different features. Now this one is the link I've given here. How can Mind Map help you in your maths class? Mentimeter link is there. Now for that, I can just, I'll ask that question in the, afterwards I'll ask you that question. Why mind map? Why it is required? So it's better planning. We can have a brainstorming session. Class, the whole class will be able to participate in this. Take notes, goal setting, and it boosts creativity also. The students, they express themselves and the whole class is engaged when we just apply this app. Now, this is my screen where I have loaded these numbers. This is one of the mind map which I made about the numbers. And then to make new one, what I have to do, this plus sign is there. I'll click on the plus, then I'll get the next screen, that is new map. And I'll type fractional numbers and I'll create. Then I'll click on create. After clicking on create, here, new map, you can type and then create functional. Now, these types of schemes are there. You can select any one or you can make your own also. You can see there are different types of up, down type, left to right type of schemes are given. Either you can choose any one of them or you can go to the next one. After this, here you can see I have just, my topic is fractional numbers. When I type the fractional numbers, different types of notes are there and they are connected through curves. We can connect them through lines also. So you can change the colors also. You can see this palette, different types of shades are there, rainbow, Rosetta, autumn, woody, ashes, navy, rainforest, different types of shades we can use to make this mind map. Now the next slide here, what I'm going to do, I have not selected any of the scheme. I'm trying to make my own. I've typed the number fractional numbers. What I'll do in the next step, I'll click on this fractional numbers. When I'll click on this fractional numbers, I'll get this type of screen. Now I can see that there are many options. Now to type, I have to use one which is given on the left hand side, this pen icon it's given. I'll click on that, I can type. If anything else I have to write down. Then I can insert the image also here. Okay, that what are the fractional numbers? Second tool is for connecting with different notes. Now types of notes are also there according to the categories. We have child, sibling, or we can make its duplicate. And you can give any shape also. In this you can see there, and different schemes are there. You can make notes also. Suppose I have added fractional numbers, I have given the topic here. I can write on the definition of fractional numbers also here. I can make a note also. You can see at the top, notes is also given, one of the icon. Then the next one is different type of shapes. As I've discussed in the features of this mind map, different types of shapes are there. I can select any one shape. Either I can apply to all the subnodes same shape, and whatever the ratio you want to keep, width equal to height, you can click on that. Okay, but I have not done that. I've just taken the main one as a different shape. I've not applied to all the types of nodes over there. Then the next slide, Now see, I have made this. Fractional numbers, I've taken this topic because I have given the responsibility as a primary master trainer. So I've taken one of the topic from class 5th. In class 5th, when the fractional numbers, they are introduced to the students, they are very much confused. So firstly, for all those students, all those who are not able to learn fast, we can just make this mind map. We can ask the students also to show their, just to see their creativity, how creative they are. So fractional numbers, we have different types of fractional numbers. Here you can see that improper, proper fraction, mixed number, like fraction, unlike, equivalent, unit fraction. Now to make it more clear so that the students can understand easily, what I'm going to do in the next step, inserted the image. Is it visible to you? I've inserted the image here. You can see that the mixed number image. Now when I click on this, it will get enlarged. That is on the app. I've saved this as a SNG file over here. So that's why it's not enlarging in this case. So here in all the notes, I've added the images also. Mixed numbers, improper fraction, proper, unit fraction, equivalent fraction, unlike fraction, fractions with the different denominators, like fraction with the common denominator. Now through this mind map, the students, they will easily learn about the different types of numbers. Now the next one slide, which I've learned in the last few days through Rashmi ma'am. So that's why Rashmi ma'am, if you're not annoyed, I've just put your pic over here that in this virtual maths class session, how many things I'm learning under your guidance. Different types of apps I've learned. That's why I made this mind map. I want to show to my co-teachers also that what I've learned from under your guidance, that is open board, Google Classroom, crossword, maths puzzle. There are so many. So just to recall whatever I've learned, I made this mind map. Now the next one is here. Maths is fun. Let us take this subject as a fun only. It is showing creativity. We can show creativity. We can just teach the students to learn the maths concept, how they can learn through different this by making the mind map. It increases through mind map the students, they become more creative. It is excellent tool to generate more ideas, and they can identify the relationship among the different data and information, and it's effective in improving memory and retention. So it's a great way to help you remember ideas and concept. The last, I just quote this: the essence of mathematics is to not make simple things complicated, but to make complicated things simple, and mind map helps in making that. It helps to make the subject more simple. Thank you. Now, I'll just want to show you the demo. Now, these are the few examples again. That is, you can see that the introduction of the linear equation in class 7th. So equation, it's equal to balance in all the terms which are related to the equation. And one more slide, example of the linear equation, different types of equations are there. And that's all. And one of the question I've just asked with you people, from you people, that how can mind map help in your maths class? I'll just request all of you to just go to menti.com and type the code 142503 and give your ideas about this after my presentation. How can, according to you people, how can mind map help in your maths class? Code is 142503. Starts now. 142503. Please, my dear friends, it's request to all of you, give your feedback that how mind map can help in our maths class. Code is 142503. Very nice. One of the response I've got, concept clarity. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Finding connections. Nice. brainstorming, understanding. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for your participation. After this, I can give to my participant teachers as one of the handout to make the mind map for any one topic from their syllabus. Thanks all of you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Rashmi, ma'am.